welcome to this beautiful waterfall. Today we're going to show you all about this waterfall. This is the entrance of the top side that you can see the waterfall down. It's very windy here and the trees are shaking like wild. It's a huge waterfall. The water is very strong and pressured. It was raining so much that's why we couldn't go down. We had a nice view from the top. The waterfall produced bubbles. The bubbles were flying everywhere. It's very windy and it's hard for me to talk. It was the best waterfall I ever seen. Now we are going to show you the places near the waterfall. Keep watching the video and you can see some nice trees.